Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's cooking in the world of Xiaomi? We've got a juicy update for you today on Midea Group, one of China's biggest home appliance makers, and its significant sell-off of Xiaomi shares. Midea has been investing heavily in Xiaomi over the years, with a cross-holding arrangement that dates back to 2014. They even pumped in CNY 13 billion into the electronics giant. But last year, they decided to cash out, selling off the remaining majority stake for around CNY 9018 million. That's right, folks, Xiaomi insiders, Midea made a whopping profit of over USD 120 million from this sale. But why did they do it? According to Yu Fenghui, an advisor at the top 100 Hong Kong-listed companies research center, it might be because Xiaomi's stock price had reached its expected target level. Or maybe it was due to the rapid expansion of Xiaomi's home appliances business, which is turning out to be a direct competitor to Midea itself. Midea's decision comes after Xiaomi's share price more than doubled last year, thanks in part to their successful entry into the electric vehicle market. The stock price continued to soar at the start of this year, hitting a record high of HKD 59.45 on March 19. But, as we know, all good things must come to an end, and the price began to drop after Xiaomi raised about HKD 42.5 billion from a discounted share placement. Now, let's take a look at Midea's financials. Their net profit jumped 14% to CNY 38.5 billion in the 12 months ended Dec. 31, while their revenue rose 9% to CNY 4071 billion. Xiaomi, on the other hand, saw its net profit surge 35% to CNY 23.7 billion, and revenue jump 35% to CNY 3659 billion. Smartphone revenue at Xiaomi jumped 22% to CNY 1918 billion, while income from IoT products soared 30% to CNY 1041 billion. And let's not forget about the electric vehicles, which topped CNY 30.1 billion in revenue. It's clear that Xiaomi is making waves in the industry. So, what does this mean for Midea and Xiaomi? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, Midea's decision to sell off their stake will likely ease any potential conflict of interest between the two companies. But on the other hand, it means that Midea is cutting ties with a major partner and potentially missing out on future opportunities. As Xiaomi insiders, we'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story. With Xiaomi's continued expansion into new markets and products, it's clear that they're here to stay. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on all things Xiaomi.